guys, welcome back to my channel, Win's Life here. For today's video guys, I am inside my pantry. So my pantry guys, it's a wreck. So I clean my pantry like once a month or probably like twice a month, especially after I just got done going to the grocery store, and the canned goods or whatever I put here, when I don't have time, I just put it down here on the floor. So it's a mess in here. Actually, it's been a while since the last time I cleaned the pantry and organized the pantry. So for today's vlog, I am going to do a lot. I'm going to put everything away, and I am going to remove some of the not so good items anymore, and expired, if there's expired. And I have to clean the floor because this is also where I have Chelly's food down here, her water bowl and her food bowl. This is where I feed her, so it is kind of sticky on this floor down here. So we're doing cleaning and organizing the pantry. It's been a while since I did a cleaning and organizing, so I thought of making a video. For today's vlog is the pantry organization. There you go guys, we have pantry organization for this vlog for today. So I hope you come and organize with me. Organize with me. If you guys have this kind of pantry, this is the motivation time. So hopefully it won't take me long. So that's where the area that I put Chelly's water bowl, and that's where I feed her. Those are her canned food, and this is her dry food right here. And yeah, I need to clean and mop over here because it's a little sticky. And this is where I put all my powder mix for my sinigang, my sweaty powder. This is what the pantry looks like. See, that's what I'm talking about. When I go shopping, all the canned goods just go down there because I don't have time to put it up on the shelves. And these are the bins that I use. So it's organized. So I need to check what's up there on those bins. And need to put the noodles, because one of those bins are for my noodles. Noodles only. And this one I need to put something up there because it's, wasting that space. Look at all the mess. So let's start fixing this pantry. So this is the before look. So I'm going to bring everything here so I have a space to work on this area. Look at all the chips. And I saved all the plastic for garbage, using it for garbage, and I do it like this. And then I just put it in a bag. Guys, look how big this jar of pickles Bigger than my head. See how this is even empty and it's up there. I'm going to put this in this container. This is sweet rice, glutinous rice. And I have a lot of random things here. I don't know what they are. I have, oh look, that's one of my favorite chocolate. Maybe I'll eat this now. Oh no, I'll eat this cashew polvoron, but these are old. Oh, is there expiration date? Oh my goodness, this is 2023. Let's try it. I don't think it's good anymore, but we'll see. This is polvoron, guys, from the Philippines. It's still good. I'm gonna throw this one now because I'm sure it's no good anymore. So these are just the random stuff. Random snacks. I'm not sure if I wanna keep this. I think I'm throwing it away. It's old. So all the random stuff will go here. So let's see what's here. I have shiitake mushroom. What's this? Ramen. Another noodle. Taco shell. This is the puto bongbong mix that I don't even know if I vlogged this before. And then I have fish fry. I'm throwing this away. Food coloring. Stevia. So I'm putting all these ones in the same bin, not with this bin. And this one's supposed to be all noodles, all different kind of noodles. Canton noodles. I'm going to put this all the way up there. at the dirt. Whew, all done. Whew. Guys, look at all the garbage we collected. It filled the whole garbage can. Thank goodness it's garbage day tomorrow. And let's see what we did. Look how clean the floor. So I'm putting her placemats there, her where she have her food bowl and drink bowl or water bowl. And that's my paper for my list of whatever I needed when I go shopping, grocery shopping. So all the packets are inside that rack. And this last supper, guys, it came from Chris's mom. This is like velvet. And that's where I keep all my gingers. That one is just all snacks. That one, that's chili snacks. And I just put all the random boxes there. These are all oil, different kind of oil, different kind of soy sauce, all different kind of honey, and that's all different kind of vinegars. That one is just all nuts, different kind of nuts, coffee and vanilla syrup, like a caramel syrup, different kind of coffee that you need to grind, random stuff. Of course, that's where all the noodles. And you see, guys, I still have space. Imagine that. I even put all the canned stuff that I shopped a few days ago, and I still have a space. Before, I don't see that space, and I still have some canned goods to store to put away. That's where I put the potatoes, and these are the garlics and onion bin. And ta-da! Clean floor. I am so happy again. Let's see how many months before it will look like a disaster again. So there you go, guys. It took me 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video will motivate you organizing your pantry if you have one. Or just your cabinets. Bye for now, guys.